champions, so today I am here for an ultra good news which is about our course, that is KC90. What is KC90? It's KCET and COMEDK 90-day crash course. And now coming to the good part of the story, the good news. So basically today marks a special occasion which is Karnataka Rajyotsava, which is why we thought of giving you a 500 rupees off on all our courses which comes under this. So whether it be KCET and COMEDK 90-day crash course, or it be individual KCET 90-day crash course or COMEDK 90-day crash course, you would be having 500 rupees off on all these purchases. But if there is someone who do not know about the course, listen to me carefully. So since KCET and COMEDK relies on 11th and 12th syllabus, we would be covering that up on priority, majorly 12th, because you would be having your boards really soon. Now just after your concept clarity in the form of one-shot lectures, we would be going ahead with chapter-wise PYQs as well. And not just that, you will get extra questions in the form of DPPs, which will be immediately boosting up the confidence. And now, coming to the best part of the story, you will be getting Abhyas KCET and COMEDK test series worth rupees 6,000 value for free here itself. You do not have to do any separate purchase later on. And my dear children, you will also be accessing PU2 board test series, and there will be live doubt classes on Wednesdays where you can come online and ask us doubts, and we will be there for you. Well, apart from that, you will also get your notes and PDFs in downloadable format, and there will be an exclusive WhatsApp community for you guys. For those of you who already joined, you know you are in the group. For those of you who are yet to join, please make it really soon, because this offer is for a limited period and your classes are going to start from 1st of November, so do not be late. Wishing you all the best. You are going to ace both KCET and COMEDK. Bye-bye. Take care.